Today's video will talk about very simple tools. This video will teach you skills that you can use to design social media ads in a very short time. Select the rectangle tool and create a box. After inserting the box, you have to fill it with color. You can choose the color for this from here. Again, create a box like this with the help of rectangle tool. And round its corners with the help of shape tool. After filling in the color, move it to the top of the box. And with one click, move it like this. Copy the shape, and set something like this in the box. The image you want to use in your design. Power clip it into this box. And after that, power clip all the shapes in the box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel to see lots of such videos. And be sure to express your valuable feedback in the comments box.